Okay, here we have the English Bitter. This is by far surprisingly really staunch home brewer loving beer. People, it's a unique, brown with red hue type of beer, a reddish bitter. But people love it, and we keep on bringing it in. It's got a thick and creamy head, is what it says, and it's firm and bitter finish. So it is a bit bitter. I have seen people actually put more hops inside this during the dry hopping phase, so after fermentation. So that's another tidbit. If you like that extra bitterness in there, I would try for English Bitter. I would try like a Fuggles or something like that, a British hop that goes well with British beers. You can also add, instead of adding the dextrose, you can always add the dextrose plus a little bit of dry malt. If you want that velvety taste, I would actually add that maltodextrin as well. This recipe will be below on our website. This is on the product page. For 60 bottles of beer at 350 mils, you can't go wrong. Make some good English style bitters that a lot of people are staunchly in love with. It's not my personal beer, but people love it, and I'm glad that they're passionate about it.